Hi. You have 30 seconds to describe what you see in the photo. Guess at least 10 words. Cozy fireplace. Plush armchair. Golden hour. Brick mantle. Sleeping cat. Window view. Warm glow. Decorative plants. Open book. Potted plant. Wooden flooring. Distant mountains. Cushioned seat. Rustic aesthetic. Hanging lamp. Crackling fire. Stretched canvas. Peaceful ambience. Relaxed afternoon. Throw rug. Feline companion. Woven basket. Ornamental shelf. Comfortable space. Gentle lighting. Homey feeling. Serenity moment. Calm retreat. Nestled cats. Mountain silhouette. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to Novin Video for more videos. Thank you.